I think my favorite English book is The Little Mermaid because I have two reasons to support my answer. First, the song is very good. Example, my favorite OST is Part of Your World because the melody and lyrics of this song are so good and it's my style. Second, the story is good because at first the mermaid finds the prince and soars. The prince's life is in danger, and there is a princess inside the castle. After overcoming a big crisis, the two fall in love. In conclusion, I think my favorite English book is The Little Mermaid. Thank you for listening.